Today I wanted to show you how to fix V-Ray when material is updating too slow. I actually disabled the material for review because this was slowing down Cinema 4D. I had to wait quite a long time and I could do nothing. If you face that issue, you can go to Edit, Preferences, and then there are V-Ray Materials Reviews. To be honest with you, I wouldn't turn this on because this considerably slows down easy. My cinema got stuck. We have some options. I have to check settings. Okay, I have to close down application. Unfortunately, Cinema 4D does not launch quick. Just give me a few seconds. This should load in a minute. Oh, wait a minute. 4 gigabytes? Okay. That is interesting. Maybe this is important. But the thing is, I am a little bit worried. How does this program behave? Well, I will have to completely disable review. Okay, let's turn this on again. I like this animation. I don't know if this really was done in Cinema 4D. Looks cool. I don't want to pause it. I could actually pause it, but I will wait a couple minutes. Cinema seems to be slower than a Blender. That's the only option to avoid crashing. What? I was after the same review and our we fixed also map. Where did I go last time? Let's check if something happens bad to the render or not. Because V-Ray slows down, we have to have view work like that. I have to have materials disabled in viewport. I want to check how does this render behave. Okay, materials are still working okay. Mm, but if you face that issue, you can always turn viewport preview. You can always turn materials preview off. That must be bug. In I think in my case that must be bug because I don't have a rubbish PC. I have a really powerful graphics card. It shouldn't happen that error. And lots of RAM and very strong processor and really powerful graphics card. I hope you like my video tutorial people. Wow, I have large CPU. I have large GPU usage, which really worries me. I think I will render the scene after when I start OBS Studio. See you guys.